You remember how to do it?
Can I climb on here?
Yeah, go ahead, baby.
Okay. Daddy. Hey, Daddy.
Thank you, Joey. You gonna go climb the tree with Kelsey?
Yeah.
Climb up there. Kelsey, be careful, baby. Go sit down on your little seat.
Okay. I'm sitting down on my little seat.
Oh,
Okay.
go sit down over there where you were before. Hang on, Joey. Look. No, wait. Look at Kelsey's climbing. Look at Kelsey's climbing.
I'm trying.
Kelsey, no, you can't go that high, honey. Hey, you need to come here and sit down, okay?
Hey, is this yucky?
No, it's not yucky. You just need to sit down, baby.
Okay.
You climbing down?
I'm sitting down.
Oh, you're sitting down?
Yep.
Wow, you're doing a good job.
I'm climbing pieces.
Oh, did you just fall out?
Yeah.
Did you just fall out of that tree?
Yeah.
You see, baby, that's why you don't go too high. Because if you go too high, it hurts when you fall. Are you all right?
Yeah.
Yeah, you want to climb back up there again?
See?
Yeah. Silly goose, huh?
Yeah. I think pieces. Could I just go away? Could I just go feel good?
Yeah.